just going to show you a little bit about the Japanese currency, which is yen. Now this here is the symbol for yen, so you might see this written on prices sometimes. It might be like 100 yen. The actual word yen is pronounced en, so that usually comes at the end of the actual price. So you might see it written both ways. The difference is this is just a symbol, but this is the actual word. Now I'm just going to give you a brief tutorial because when you see a price in Japan, you want to kind of understand what that real value of that price is. Because it's so different to dollars, it can be a little bit off-putting. Like if you saw 100 yen written on a price, you'd think, well, that's a lot of money. But in actual fact, it's not that much money at all. It's probably equivalent to about $1. So it's really important that you kind of know when you see 100 yen or 1,000 yen, how much that price really is. What is the real value of that? Alright, now this is the current conversion rate of Australian dollars to Japanese yen. Japanese yen is represented by JPY. Today's date is the 25th of February. By the time you read this, it might have changed slightly. So just keep checking it on this one here, XE Currency Converter. I just looked that up on my iPad just then. Now, because this number here is so close to 100, that makes the mental arithmetic a little bit easier to convert into Australian dollars. Because it's almost 100 yen, you could almost say that one yen is the equivalent of 1 cent. So there's your first indication of the value of Japanese yen in comparison to Australian dollars. So let's just keep that in the corner here. We'll just put it up there, and I'll just show you how I tend to picture what, let's say, 1,000 yen is. Basically what I'll do is I'll just get the decimal point and put it back 2 places. So when somebody says 10,000 yen to me, automatically I'm thinking $10. Or if it was, say, 150 yen, you just take that decimal spot point back 2 numbers and you end up with $1.50 or thereabouts. If you lived in Japan long enough, when you see 150 yen, you probably just automatically understand the value of 150 yen. But if you're not going to be there for a long time, you might want to sort of do this mental conversion in your head just to give you an idea of the proper value of that price. Alright, now here are some of the notes and some of the coins in Japanese yen currency. These are the coins here. These are all lined up in order of value. So starting here, this one here is 1 yen. That could be the equivalent in your mind, if you want, 1 cent. The next one here is 5 yen, and there's 10 yen, 50 yen, and 100 yen. Okay, so they're the coins. And now down the bottom here we have on the side this one here, which is 1,000 yen. This is a 1,000 yen note. You'll probably see this most commonly if we're doing the thing of putting a decimal point 2 numbers back. You might want to also see this as similar to being a $10 note, just like that. And then further down here we've got a 10,000 yen, and that seems like a lot of money. I mean, when you say the word 10,000 in English, you're thinking you're rolling in the cash. But this one here, you might see this one when you go to Japan on a trip, because this is equivalent to, I guess, around $100.